Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I groom my eyebrows at home. So it's lockdown going on and the salons and parlors are closed. So I thought why not groom and shape my eyebrows at home. So I've never did it before, but I want to give it a try. And as per me, I've done a pretty good job. So if I can do it, so can you. It's really easy to do and it will not take much time. But do remember that if you are doing it for the first time, just like me, then your eyebrows will not look as sharp as you get it done by the parlors, but it will be very presentable, clean and much more neat. So this is how my eyebrows look before I've groomed and shaped them. So firstly I'm going to take my spoolie and just brush down the hair. So basically what you're going to do is, you just have to mark the natural lines of your brows with the help of any eyebrow pencil which you have. After marking the top side, now you have to brush your hair upwards and mark the bottom side of the brows. Just mark the natural curve it has. Now after marking the brows, now you have to tweeze. Just pluck out all the excess hair as you can see right there to make the shape of your eyebrows. Firstly, I suggest to tweeze the hair which are not so close to the shape. It will help to decide the shape better. And when it comes to the brow hair which are closest to the shape, I would say be really careful. Just stick to your natural brow line and not to go overboard. It's really easy to overpluck, so just look in the mirror and check how it looks from far away before you keep going. And when plucking, just take it out in the direction that the hair grows so it hurts less. And there's also one more tip, you just need to raise your eyebrows and this way the eyebrow hair will be easier to pluck. Now once you're happy with the bottom part of the brows, let's move on to the upper side. First just comb the hair down and mark the shape. Then there are two options, whether you can pluck or you can shave. So to clean and shape the upper side, I am using this little razor to really clean everything up. Just very gently at an angle, go with the razor in a downward motion on the top of your eyebrows and stop right above where your eyebrows start or where you have marked the line. Be very careful with this because it's really easy to cut, not yourself but the brow hairs, and you don't want to have an accident and cut your eyebrows off. So be really careful with this, but I think this adds a really nice precision and a really nice clean look to your brows. So now after shaving it, I'm just using a wet towel to clean that up. And now with the help of a tweezer, I'm just plucking all the extra hair which I see on the top side of the brows. So now after shaving and plucking out the extra hair from your brows, your eyebrows will look something like this. So now you have to trim your long eyebrow hair. So you just have to carefully cut off the top of the eyebrow hair, which makes your brows look even more sharp and clean. And for the middle part of the brows, you just have to pluck out the excess hair and very carefully shave the middle part of the brows, just to make your brows more clean, precise and sharp. So now you just have to repeat all these steps on the second eyebrow and make it as even as you can. But do remember that the eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters. So it's perfectly fine if they are not exactly similar. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful. And if you like it, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.